In this demonstration video I'm going to show PostTrans creating a stock adjustment. Only this is no ordinary stock adjustment because it's going to contain multi-bin and batch items and could easily contain serial items too. Basically the same principle is true for a purchase, sales invoice, sales order or a purchase order because PostTrans uses the same technology. Here I am on one of my templates which I've designated as a stock adjustment by putting an ADJ code and a type. Of course I've got a description here so I can put van stock, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer out of my main location my stock into a van. So here we are, we've got a completely blank spreadsheet. Of course we could actually physically type in the stock codes and select the locations manually, or we could use our lookup facility. For the terms of this test I'm just going to press update lookups here, and now it's allowed me to add criteria. So PostTrans is going to go through the stock list and pull out any stock with test in user field 1 and select the stock levels from the main warehouse. So just press the button to populate the data. So that's written that to the spreadsheet, and of course I could go in and I could manually add items to the spreadsheet. So effectively you could build up a template that you simply open and it has all the stock codes that you necessarily use to transfer to your vans. Okay, we're missing quite a lot of information about what's in each individual bin or batch. So let's press update lookups again. And now what PostTrans is going to do is expand that spreadsheet down. It's just warning me that it's going to overwrite some information with bin and, oh, we forgot to put the location code against those two stock items there. I'll just ignore that error there. So now what we can see is our first stock code, which is a batch tracked stock item, has two batches in stock and we've got these quantities in stock. I can also see any sell by dates that are in the system, so I might want to select my oldest stock first. Down below here we've got a series of stock items which are actually in multi-bins, and you can see there they're in multi-bins because it's actually populated the bin column as opposed to the batch column. Here also is the free stock in each of these bins, and again the sell by dates. So if I want to raise the stock adjustment, all I need to do is select the items I want to send out to the van. So we could say we've got 5 of these items, and maybe 4 of those, and from this location here I will have 14. Of course we haven't told it what location we're putting the stock into because I've just filled in the out column here. So I can fill in the opposite side of any particular stock adjustment simply by double clicking in here. Select the van stock. So now we're ready to shove all this stock out of my main location into my van. To do this we'll press the post transaction button and we'll see PostTrans scan through the spreadsheet looking for lines to adjust. Okay, so there's 3 lines there. So let's post that. So let's raise the stock adjustment. You can see there it's noted down all the lines it's posted. And now what it's done is it's gone through the spreadsheet and adjusted the lines on the serial and batch. So let's just flick over to Exchequer and just show you the stock adjustments it's raised. It's my van stock. So my first item was off 2 batches, no, single batch. And my final item down here was from a multi-bin, so it's book 14 out of that multi-bin. So simply I've used PostTrans there to adjust my stock, so now I've moved it from my main location into my van.